Just by doing some small correction in your spending habits and on your savings habits, you can actually make fortunes. Want to know how? Let's. Hi, this is Uday here from ecsmf.com. This video is actually meant for married couple with two kids. As we discussed in our earlier videos as well, if you can see, our monthly expenses will most predominantly remain the same as married couple, but the only thing which adds up is child care expenses. So that usually I have kept as 30,000. In some cases, it may go even beyond 50 as well. So let's see how we can, first distinguish between what is needy and what is not needy, what is optional spending actually. As you have seen in this earlier slide, as well as I've also quoted multiple times about Warren Buffett's quote with regards to spending habits, wherein Warren Buffett has said, spend after saving rather than save after spending. So, compare with that quote, I would like to say we first have to differentiate between what is needy and what is optional. So, in this case, if you can see, needy remains the same as normal married couples' expenses are, just that the child care expenses adds on into this. And optional is again same as what we have discussed in married couples. Yeah, as we discussed about multiple expenses and all with needy and non-needy, the two options which I have given last time were in married couples, which also I'm going to suggest now, which should actually save in a very big way when it comes to childcare. So just imagine rent switch option and meal options are the two things which I suggested for married couples. Same thing I would like to suggest this to the married with two kids. How you can actually save here with regards to rent switches, you just have to move to a place which is exactly centered to your kids' school, your husband wife both's workplace workplace, wherein it should be centered almost equivalent to that, or else it falls the same way. So that way you can actually save very big when it comes to taxi and maintenance, on fuel maintenance and other childcare expenses. Predominantly it goes for traveling actually, which you can reduce. And second thing is meal options. Frankly speaking, meal option will really work well when you have two couple with two kids, wherein you can actually look for a lot of options with the meal provider or the person who is running the mess nearby you can offer you very vast range with the limited budget, which you can see in this thing. So you can actually opt for rent switch option and then meal option, and rest remains same as what married couple have described in married couple. In this, you can see that you can exactly maybe more or so 1,30,000 plus you can save here if you really work on rent switch option as well as meal options. As in the earlier slide, I would have given you a lot of suggestions. Maybe modifying yourself to the present thing or correcting yourself to the tune of 1.3 lakh may not be a possibility. But even if you could able to attend certain steps, you could take certain steps to save to an extent. Say for example, if you could save 50,000 rupees per month for 20 years at the rate of 12%, you could save 2.32 lakhs, 2.32 crores plus of saving for the lifetime. That is a very good corpus. And similarly, if you could able to save 70,000 for 20 years at the rate of 12%, you could save 3.25 crores plus. Whereas if you could able to do real hard going or real hard work in saving and maintain discipline on saving 1 lakh every month for 20 years at the rate of 12%, you could actually make 4.64 crores. So I always say, think the impossible and start working towards it. That's where you should feel. I think if you could able to think that you could do it, then you can do anything. So that's where I see the possibility lies. Over the past, there are a lot of products and offerings which have given stellar returns, good returns, and and disciplined returns for the investors. But that doesn't mean that we can actually guarantee the same returns. But yeah, there are products which can definitely provide good returns. Only thing is, assurance is something which no one can actually provide for any investments of yours. So frankly speaking, from our side, we as a distributor will always be there to help you out and give you all services what is needed. But again, assurance on the returns part is not provided from our side. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't ever forget to download our app. Thank you.